Welcome, in this video I will show you how to enable low motor strain preset in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. First, in the main menu of the game, open Settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen or by pressing F3 button on your keyboard. Then, either press 5 on your keyboard or click Accessibility, right here, and then switch the toggle next to Low Motor Strain preset to the right. Then, confirm by clicking Use Low Motor Strain keybinds, and you cannot use this preset with Simplified Controls preset. So if you want to enable Simplified Controls, you have to first switch this preset off, and then you'll be able to enable it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.